In this video, I will show you how to connect WooCommerce to Google Shopping. First, log in to your WordPress dashboard and go to Plugins, then click Add New. Search for Google Listings and Ads, install the official WooCommerce plugin, and activate it. After activation, go to WooCommerce and open the Google Listings and Ads section. Click Get Started and sign in with your Google account. Now connect your Google Merchant Center account and follow the setup steps like selecting your country, shipping settings, and store details. Once the setup is complete, your WooCommerce products will automatically sync with Google Shopping. Google will review your products, and after approval, they can start appearing on Google Shopping results. If you found this video helpful, subscribe to our channel.